Alright, this is going to be embarrassing. Oh boy. It is Saturday, November 23rd, and we are now on Noah's Ark. Fun fact, Noah's Ark has delicious food. We are in Princess Cays today, one of Carnival's private islands. I'm not a huge fan of private islands, and everything I've seen online, good morning, is this is probably the one I'll like the least. However, I brought my drone today. I would say my chances of crashing it into the ocean are 1 in 3. We are currently pulling up to the island, and then we're going to tender in.
Yeah, it is right. But now
Good morning downstairs, people. How you doing? How you doing?
Jamaica pictures. Can I say hi?
How do you go right, Melissa?
I guess we're up here.
Yeah.
Try to braid. Next question.
Or should we have done it like back there?
I don't know. What do you? Could we go back there?
Well, I mean, we're going we're literally going to the left, so let's try this way.
The bartender
Diana at Alchemy Bar gave us a hint. She said take a right instead of a left once you get on the island, because everybody goes to the left.
Okay. Do you want to?
We already missed the right. Hopefully this is it. Thanks, Diana. Nice tip. I am very amazed at how this thing is flying in the wind out here. It's not bad, but it is giving me a strong wind advisory. All right, that thing flies amazing. Scared me to death. As soon as I took it up there, it was red flag for super high winds. Still handled like a pro. Had my first, had the batteries run out. Got a little panicky. Came home fine. It's very hard to see the screen on the phone right now though, so had to trust my eyes, which is not good. But that thing is amazing.
I know that person.
I think I'll just walk around and see what else is at Princess Cays. Oh, and by the way, if you want to see just the drone footage I just took today, put a link right here. Or here. I don't know which way it goes. Not yet. Alright, so this is where we took a right when we first came in instead of taking a left. And I think that's a security checkpoint right there. I don't know if you can come in or out. I guess you can come in and out of there. Yeah. Yes, you have to have your sign and sale card to get in there. I think there's like some shops or something more from locals as opposed to from Carnival. I think. So this is where they herd everybody when you get off the ship. Just naturally walks over this way. Definitely seems more crowded over here. It's not bad though. And that's pretty much it for Princess Cays. And that's exactly the reason why I'm not a huge fan of private islands. There's just not a lot here. There's no culture. It's all within the cruise line itself. Everything's just branded from the cruise line. Always want to get a taste of local food, local beers, local anything. You just seldom get that on a private island. The other real bummer is this was supposed to be a 4-night cruise to Cuba. And thanks to the Trump administration, he decided he didn't want me to give any of my money to the Cuban people, so he'd rather give my money to the Bahamian people, I guess. So, no fault of Carnival's by any means. They rescheduled a stop in Princess Cays instead of Cuba. I would have taken Key West, I would have taken Nassau, I would have taken Half Moon Cay. I've never been to Half Moon Cay either. But we ended up in Princess Cays. Oh well. It's still been a fantastic time. And I got to fly my drone here. I don't think I would have been able to fly my drone in Cuba. I will say, except for a few rocks, the beach over here is much nicer than over there. I guess that's why they wrangle the people over here instead. Thinking a parallel universe, I'm a tenderboat pilot. I could do that all day long. All right, back to the small boat to take us to the big boat. Second towel animal of the trip, giant mouse with a really long nose. We're going to try to do the ropes course. It's either going to be closed or the line's going to be super long. Okay, I can take a camera, but it has to be a chest harness. So I'm going to go right back to the room and get the chest harness and then do the sky course, which apparently no one's excited about because nobody is currently on it. Not a great look.
Been on here before?
No.
Okay, no running, jumping, swinging, or ziplining.
No problem.
One person at a time. I think you're the only one here, actually. Just don't hold on to those metal cables that go above your head. You
Okay.
can use this right here.
Okay.
To go.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Sweet. Thanks. All right, this is going to be embarrassing. Oh boy. Okay. I feel like a total dork though, because the strap is blocking the camera. Okay. All right, the strap is completely blocking my camera. So we'll see how this works. Yeah, this is, I'm falling on this one for sure. Okay. All right. Wait, where am I? Did you take that? Yeah. I'm glad I trust this road. What is this? What the heck is this? All right. I'm pretty sure I am doing this one wrong. All right.
Check out these views though. Yeah, I'm gonna die here. Seriously? Seriously. I mean, seriously. More views. There's the ship. It's pretty cool from up here. Can't believe I've never done these before. I am very tired already though. All right, now for my last trick, I'll run. Not. Up. I'm good. Great, appreciate it. Thank you. That was pretty fun. I do wish the girls would have done that though. That would have been a hoot because they have zero dexterity. Just want to do a straight up, no onions. No fries on that one. Okay, thank you. I may or may not have a problem. It's become a pre-evening ritual. 20 minutes in the steam, 10 minutes in the sauna, and then a shower up in the locker room, so I don't have to deal with it here in the cabin. Hopefully Christy's here because I don't have a key to the room. And she's not here yet. Guess I'll just sit here a while.